Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I thank you guys so much for sticking around, and we are going to jump right into this video because I know you guys are probably like, girl, where have you been? Some of you guys have been messaging me, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys are still supporting me and subscribing to my channel. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right on into this video. So I already did my brows. I'm going to list everything in the description box below, what products I'm going to be using, because to talk and list products and all that jazz will be way too much. I'm going to start with this Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This little bottle for like points or whatever at Sephora. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face with this. This stuff really does give you a dewy finish, so that's why I like it. It's a little pricey, so whenever it is for the points, that's when I get it. But like, look, an instant glow. That's that. I'm gonna prime my face with the NARS Radiance Primer. Ooh, this packaging is so dirty, but it looks like this. But this has been my go-to foundation of all time. So I took a break because I was putting in so much energy and so much time here on my channel, and I was like kind of forgetting like who I was in a sense. Like I just was sitting there and I'm like, wait a minute, don't judge my sponge, I need to clean it. And I'm like trying to remember my purpose of why I even started my channel. I always have to remind myself that, because in life you do get lost in the sauce, honestly. Like nobody out here can say they have it all together. Although we have social media that makes everyone look like they're doing so well at all times, that is honestly not the case. So you know, it's hard not to look at other people on social media. It's hard to not look at people in life. You could be on the workplace and somebody's just look like they have it all together, not just online. So for me, it was, okay, I'm putting in all this effort into my channel. I'm putting in all this effort into asking you guys what you want to see, and some of you have been so nice to respond, but some of you are not. And it's like, okay, so having that connection with you guys is more important than the numbers. Like numbers can go up and down, they fluctuate daily, like in life in general, not just on YouTube, but in stocks and bonds and companies and bank accounts and everyday life. Numbers will go up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's not about the numbers of this, but also trying not to stay in that element of comparing yourself to someone else's channel. If you are starting a YouTube channel out there, or you have a YouTube channel, I would recommend you do not do that, because let me just say this, yo, keeping it 100, YouTube is hard work. Don't let nobody make it seem like it's easy, because it's not. The people that you may be watching that put out videos at least every single day, that's a dedication, that's consistency. I was at one point putting out 2 to 3 videos a week while still working a full-time job. And then recently, I'll get into that, I was working full-time and part-time. So, and then I had to just take a break because I ended up getting a new job, but I'll get into that. Like this is, I'm moving in this direction, but I'm not seeing any type of results. Like, what is it that I'm doing? So I felt like I was stuck. I didn't see my numbers going up and down. And I know that there's so many awesome like YouTubers that tell you how to grow your channel, how to bring your algorithm up, what's trending, how to get your video viewed, and all this jazz. And I'll try to remember to list those channels down below that I watch too. It's just like 2 main channels of gentlemen that I watch that gives you that full-on information. But when doing that, I was like, you know, maybe it's something that I'm not doing. I've tried everything that those guys would recommend, and I'm like, I'm still not seeing anything. So I had to step back. And sometimes in life, that's okay to do. It's okay to step back. It's okay to say, you know what? I don't have it all together. And it's okay, you know? So that's what I did. I took a step back. I said, you know what? How can I revamp my channel and do different things? It seems like based on like what people are watching. Like makeup tutorials is not really a thing for some, but that's who I cater to. Women who want quick, easy makeup that they can just be on the go. I'm talking about women that got families, got husbands, gotta go to work, a career-wise woman, and she needs to be put together really quick. Like, I feel like we as women can learn so much from one another. It's so mind-boggling how much we can learn from one another without putting each other down. And so that's what it was. It's just like, what am I going to do on my channel next, and how can I make it different? So my ideas are putting out more hair tutorials, because it seems like you guys like those type of videos, and more like I want to get into the fashion, showing my fashion videos, like hauls and fashion lookbooks and things like that. So I just had to take a break to like realize, like, you know what, I want to keep going, so I'm going to keep going, and I'm not going to allow, you know, these trendy nonsense type of ordeals, I should say, that are going around on YouTube cause me not to feel like I can't do what I started off doing, because I do have an audience and I don't want to neglect you guys that are here. Me putting out all my videos and then people are not really watching it was really like, okay, so what's the point? So I'm getting upset at myself, because it's like, okay, maybe I'm not doing something enough, or I'm not showing enough personality, but this is who I am. So it's like, honestly, if you like me and watch my channel, I really appreciate it. And if you don't, you can certainly click out at this point. That's just what it is. I am who I am, and that's okay. Everybody's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, and that's totally fine. So in the midst of me taking that break, I was actually, I don't want to say depressed, but I was like on the verge from my work life like shifting, and so Lord behold, I got a call and I got my position that I'm in now. So I'm back in human resources, and I am so happy. And it's actually been a couple of months, and within these last few months I have been back on my working out, my eating pretty healthy. When I say pretty, I do have my cheat days, but on the weekends, but I feel like myself again, and that's what's important. So what made me want to come back and share that, because there's somebody out there, I know you are probably thinking the same thing, like, oh my gosh, when is my door going to open? When is my shine going to come? When am I going to get my opportunity? But I'm telling you, keep pressing on, keep going. I mean, it was like, I can't even, like, words can't even describe, you guys, that 6-month period of me just faking it till I'm making it, basically, as far as my hiding my emotion. And this is so weird to talk about, because I don't talk about my feelings to everybody, so this is definitely a vulnerable place for me, but I feel like sharing it with somebody, and this could help any of you. Like, no matter what you're going through, ooh, I'm gonna get emotional. No matter what you're going through, just know that God has a plan for each and every one of us, despite the fact that you may not be where you want to be right now. There's a reason, there's a season, and there's a plan that God has for each and every one of us. I'm telling you, like, and so that's how I had to think about it when I came back to doing my channel, doing my videos. Like, this is the video that is really new. The last video that I posted was a previous video that I recorded some months ago, and I kept trying to upload it, and it was just, I kept getting these errors. My Wi-Fi was acting up. Wi-Fi's fixed, still having issues with putting the video up. And then I'm like, okay, you know what, it's just not meant for me to put a video up. Like, I'm telling you, the way God works is so amazing to me. And you know what, I thank him even in that time of me feeling like I was down and out, I was depressed, I was feeling stressed, and no one knew it. No one knew it at all, because like I said, I always hide my emotion. But I'm just very thankful for that season in my life. I'm gonna miss some of my coworkers, I'm not even gonna lie. But there's a time and a place for everything, and like I said, in your life where you just have to move on and mature. But I truly was like, you know what, I'm not gonna stay in this rut as far as like being creative, because I still have that creative side to me, and I love creating videos for you guys. I'm so excited to end this year with a bang. I know I haven't been on here in like a month, but I'm excited to end this year with a bang and go into 2020 with a clear vision of what my channel will be about, no matter who wants to watch it. You know what I'm saying? So I was gonna go in with a little bit of shadow. Maybe I will. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, Soft Glam palette. I do have the Jackiana palette, so I definitely want to do a review on that palette or do a makeup look using it. But I'm just gonna go in with this, just something really quick, using some of the matte. I'm just gonna do a matte look. Like I said, I didn't want this video to be too long, and I don't want the eyeshadow look to be too dramatic or glittery, because I'm just gonna wipe this right back off. But yeah, sorry if this video is all over the place. I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm so happy to finally come back and share that information with you guys. And seriously, it may not get to the point of you wanting to give up, but it does get to a point where you feel like, what the heck am I doing? What's really going on in my life? What are the steps I need to take? Okay, I need to pray. Okay, I need to read my Bible more. I need to meditate. I need whatever it is that you do to get your mind back on track and get back in peace and order, get things in order. Honey, everybody goes through that. And that's why I was like, you know what? Let me share with you guys. This is not just no regular life update. Okay, I got a new house. I got a new car. No, this is a real deal, like real life. Like, yes, I have a new job. I'm very thankful. Things other than my job stuff and my YouTube stuff, other than those two things, everything else surrounding me is still doing amazing. So a lot of great things has been going on around me. But when you have all those great things going on around you and you're in this like suffocated bubble, you can't even really be excited and celebrate, because you're so focused on trying to get that excitement for yourself, to be honest. So you guys didn't see any of what I recorded after that because my camera died. So in a nutshell, what God has for you is for you. Press on, push forward. Anything that your heart is desiring, however you're being creative, however it is that you want to be successful in life, you can do it by putting in the effort and the work, and you don't have to be afraid to do that. I know that some of what I said has gotten cut out and it was more authentic when I said it, but I'm here to tell you that we're in this together. We are going to be fine. Just keep doing the hard work, keep pressing. Everything will work out in your favor. And I hope you guys enjoyed this type of chit chat type of video and life update. I'm doing well. I appreciate each and every one of you who has continuously supported my channel and gave me feedback, as well as respond and comment below when I ask you guys. So definitely comment below the type of videos that you guys want to see here on my channel and things that you're interested in watching, whether that's hair, fashion, or makeup. You guys let me know down below so I'll know what you guys are interested in watching. Share this video, like it, give it a big thumbs up, and I will list everything that I use down below. If you're going to ask about these earrings, I got these from Burlington, so it's not a site or anything that I can give you, but that's my little secret. I like to get staple type of earrings wherever I go, and Burlington actually has a few, so check out your local Burlington. I'm trying to think if I'm leaving out anything. I'm so mad that my camera died, but you know, that's the part of life. You don't let the small stuff get to you. Life is way too short to be stressed out over the small stuff that you have no control over. That's another tip I want to give you guys. And like I said, all the makeup products will be listed down below. And I love each and every one of you. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.